Hello everyone, welcome to Gobel. This is Suki. We have received from our customers is that we should choose the DIY kit or the pre-assembled battery. So in today's video, I will break these questions and teach you how to choose whether to choose the DIY kit or the pre-assembled battery based on your needs. First, let's talk about the advantages of the DIY kits. The most effective advantages of DIY kits is that it's more effective and more cost effective. If you have some hands-on skills, assembling your own battery system by sourcing cells separately can save on labor and assembling cost, keeping your overall budget low. Our DIY kits already include the construction system and the core control system. So all you need to do is buy all the cells separately and assemble them into one battery. But this step requires some technical skills. If you have some hands-on skills, you can try to do that and use your hand to build your own battery. If you are new to energy storage market, you may miss some small issues like cells inconsistency or BMS setup problems. If done incorrectly, this may affect the battery lifespan. And now let's look at the benefits of the pre-assembled battery. If your priority is the stability, safety, and a hassle-free experience, we strongly recommend choosing our fully assembled system. Each of our finished products goes through a strict selection and assembly process. We carefully match cells with highly consistent voltage, resistance, and capacity to ensure balanced performance and minimal degradation over time. Each of our finished products goes through a strict selection and assembling process. We carefully match cells with highly consistent voltage, resistance, and capacity to ensure balanced performance and minimal degradation over time. During assembly, we have a rigorous quality control process with dual technical checks at every step to eliminate human error and ensure reliable workmanship. Before shipping, every system undergoes 2 rounds of aging tests to verify charge and discharge efficiency, thermal performance, and long-term operational stability. Only until that passed, all tests are approved for delivery. Compared to the short-term warranty of DIY kits, our pre-assembled battery comes with a 10 years warranty, so you are fully covered for the long run. With plug-and-play design, there is minimal time spent on installation and configuration. These batteries are ideal for household, business users, and integrators who need a quick and stable energy storage solution. If you are on a budget, have technical skills, and want customization, then a DIY kit might be a great fit. But if you want a safer, more stable, and hassle-free experience with long-term warranty, then the assembled system is your best choice. At Gobel Power, we support both options and offer professional technical guidance, reliable after-sales service, and competitive product solutions. Feel free to contact our team anytime. We are here to help you build the most suitable energy storage system for your needs. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video.